Bakasana, or crane pose. It's an awesome pose because it really makes you use what people call the core, but it's really just drawing in and up, and it develops really good arm strength as well. So let's go ahead and break it down. We're going to come to downward facing dog. So just make your way over to down dog. And then from here, if you can jump up, you could jump up, or you could walk up and try to pull your belly in as you come up. Either way, right? You want that lift, because that's what you're gonna need to get up. So then you come up as far as you can, you bend. If your knees allow it, try to get the elbows down, right? Just get into this nice squat. Then you're gonna set your arms up so that you're at a little bit of the elbows are going out and down. So they're real pressing down. So you want to find that. You get your knees in here. You try to get as high up as you can, but it's okay if you're down here, and it was more of what they call a crow pose too. But let's try and get it as high as you can. So the elbows are going out and you're pressing down. Now find a target in front of you and look at that and try to pull the belly in, lean forward, and see if your feet can just lift off. And then maybe bend your knees more. And that's the pose. We can go ahead and modify this pose if you found that really hard by using a block. So we'll try that. Let's place the block maybe about right here. And we're gonna come into our downward facing dog again. So here you are, downward facing dog. Now we're gonna slowly walk up to the block. So pull the belly in slowly, lifting. Now we're gonna need to get the feet on the block. So just put one foot on, other foot on, and already it's like, it's high, right? It's a little scary, but just see what you can find here. Look a little forward, the elbows are out and down, right? You're creating a little shelf there. And then you try to get your knees high up, but they might go down a little bit, that's okay. And just lean forward, lift the belly, and keep that target in front of you. What do you see, right? And then maybe your feet will come off. Maybe you just play with that and then come back. But the truth is, if they never come off the block and you just feel that sense of lightness, you will have achieved a lot. Bakasana, crane pose, give it a go.